زندباد هیواد ګلا زندباد هیواد ستاد راغونی مسؤلیت مدې پغا.
Hoth Khail Pool's manufacturing plant achieves milestone with production of 6,112 concrete pools in 9 months of the current solar year. The Afghanistan Rishna Shirkat Department of Construction Affairs related Hoth Khail Pool's manufacturing plant has successfully produced a total of 6,112 concrete pools of varying size that meet international standards during the first 9 months of the current solar year. These pools, which are crucial for improving and expanding the country's electricity infrastructure, have been distributed not only to Kabul but also to several provinces including Parwan, Jawzjan, Paktia, Nangarhar, Khost, Maidan Wardak, Ghazni, Kandahar, Uruzgan, and Helmand. This distribution has had a significant positive impact on the development and enhancement of local power grids across the nation. To ensure uninterrupted production of pools during the winter season, a new machine with a 1 megapascal steam pressure capacity has been purchased and successfully activated. This investment will facilitate the continued manufacturing of pools throughout the winter months, enabling the plant to meet its production targets by the end of the year. Additionally, new machine will serve as a backup during any potential failure of the current primary machine, ensuring that production will not be disrupted and that the plant can continue to fulfill the growing demand for quality concrete pools across Afghanistan.
زندباد هیواد ګلا زندباد هیواد زندباد هیواد ګلا زندباد